In today's video, we're going to be showing you how to easily go from a day look to a night look with our Moxie lashes. So you've had your makeup on all day, but you don't want to take all of it off to redo it so that you can go out tonight to a party or on a date or whatever it may be. So I'm going to be showing you how to take the look you already have on and just amp it up a little bit. So right now my makeup is pretty simple. I have our cheeky lashes on and just an eyebrow, a lip, and a cheek. So right now I do have our cheeky lashes on. I know you can hardly tell because they look so natural. I love them, but for my more dramatic kind of nighttime look, I'm going to want to use a different lash. So I'm actually going to take off my cheeky lashes. There goes one, and there's the other one. So now grabbing an eyeshadow palette, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. And I'm going to take the shade Sienna right here and a small blending brush. And what I'm going to do is kind of run that over the top of the liner that I already have applied and then blend upwards. Now taking a little bit of orange soda, I'm just going to blend those edges out. Then with a smaller flat brush, I'm going to take that shade Sienna and go in my lower lash line. Then taking that same flat brush, I'm going to take the shade Mulberry right here and pack that in my outer corner. Then I'm going to go back in with that fluffy brush and just blend out the edges a bit. Then you're going to take your MoxieLash eyeliner, and I'm just going to reapply over the top of the shadow that we just put down, and I'm going to make it a little bit thicker towards the inner corner and the outer corner because the lash I'm going to be wearing, which is the Money Lash, is a lot bigger than the cheeky lash, so it needs a little bit more surface area of eyeliner to stick onto. Now I'm just going to let the liner dry. We're all about saving time here, so while the liner is still drying, I'm going to contour just a little bit more on my face to just be a little more dramatic and not so soft. So just going on my forehead, underneath my cheekbones, and then of course on my jawline. Also going to apply a little extra blush. This one is called Baby Love from Too Faced. Now I'm going to make my whole face glow and put some highlight on. This one is from Pixi, and it is their Glowy Glossomer Duo. Alrighty, now for my favorite part. My favorite part about going from day to night with MoxieLash lashes is that you really don't have to do too much. We added a little bit of eyeshadow, but to be honest, you actually could just leave your eyeshadow as is and just apply a new lash, a bigger lash, a bolder lash, and it's going to completely change your look, and it's going to make it look like you tried harder, but you didn't. So like I said, I'm going to be applying our Money Lashes. Looking down into my mirror, I'm just going to snap these babies on. Boom. Okay, it's literally so easy. You can see there's a huge difference, and it totally amps up your look without a ton of effort. Now popping on the other eye. And there we go, the lashes are on. They look beautiful and totally have changed the look. It's seriously the fastest, easiest way to change your look in the middle of the day to make it a little bit more dramatic and go, somewhere in the nighttime. And of course, if this lash is too bold for you, even for nighttime, we have a big collection of lashes and there's something for everyone in there. So you can always check out our website to see all of the different lash styles we have, and also we have try-on videos where we try each lash on so you can see what they look like on. Now to finish off the look, I'm going to apply a lipstick. This one is from Bare Minerals. It is their Bare Pro lipstick in the shade Geranium. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. We hope it was helpful. If you did like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to subscribe to our channel down below, you'll never miss any of our tutorials, our tips and tricks all about our magnetic lashes. We'll see you in our next video.